So we've reached the location, and from here the trail starts. Come down, Akshit bhai. So this is more like a flat track again. So let's stop somewhere here and wait for rest of them to come. So let's continue. So we've all regrouped, and this is the trail. Beautiful place. Wow. So it's more of a flat trail again, similar to our previous one. And here, oh, look what we've got here. Oh man, so this is what you were talking about. Lovely stuff. Okay, so somebody has to. Okay, do we continue there or we're coming back? We're coming back. Okay, so let's go onto the bridge. See, so you can take your motorcycle on the bridge. Check that out. You've got 2 speed breakers here. And here we go. Wow. Wow, this is absolutely crazy. Taking your motorcycle on the bridge. And here's another speed breaker. We go forward. Let's take a turn there and come back. So that's brilliant. Wow. I'm not too sure what's around this place, but then that's the place. See all of them coming. Oh, nice experience. That's a lovely experience riding on the bridge. Let's ask Madhu. Madhu, how's your experience on the bridge? First time, second time? First time, second time? Oh, nice. It's absolutely brilliant. Yeah. It's wonderful. So NKK, what do we have ahead?
Not sure.
Not sure, okay.
It connects to Subramania Road.
Okay.
As to my knowledge, it connects to the train what you are doing today.
Okay. So check this out, guys. A bridge where you can ride your motorcycle and come. And wow, lovely. What fifth? Okay. Nice. Good. Let's go. Chalo, time to get back. So all the riders, Madhu, Kirtan, and then Mr. Rai. It's one of a kind experience riding on the hanging bridge and crossing. Wow. Nice. Wow. So it's kind of feels rewind mode when you're riding on this. Nice. And now we continue. go. So this was not the part of the trail bit, this was the hanging bridge. So I thought this was the flat trail which we were entering. So sorry, my bad. This wasn't the trail that we were starting, but then it was the hanging bridge. Now off to our next location. This is that bridge where you can actually ride, but then for whatever reasons localites suggested us not to go on that bridge. So that's the bridge. So you could ride your motorcycle there and go. But now yes, not allowing. So nonetheless, we've already done one bridge crossing, so this is okay. दादागे? Okay. Yeah, I think here we have our next set of trail route, and here we start this. Yes, I think so. So Kirtan, Madhu and Akshit Bhai, they're ahead. I am tailing. So this is more of a rocky bit. So you see all the surface there, it's proper rocks, like big rock bit, and here it comes the mud pies. And comes the slushy bit here, and wow, no, it's nice, cute two puppies. Okay, let's just get rid of this place first. And a climb again. Nice and easy and slow. I wish I had my Hermes today, because there's some issues with the Hermes. Could not take it, could not get it here. But then Hermes would have been a lot of fun. I just got Hermes serviced yesterday, but then I don't know, for some reason this morning it didn't start. So I was planning to take that one for this flat track. It would have been a lot of fun on that. And here we go. Nice, good climb, good inclination climb, and again the mud is a little wet, still not slushy though, it's a slightly wet, and there's good traction, so No problem at all, you can easily keep going. Nice. It's a good one. So this is more of a climb that we've got today, majority of which is climb. Wow, this is gorgeous. I just want to take a pic. This is one of those must take a pic area. Right, don't go back, don't go back.